Welcome back, coin enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the 1974 Kennedy half dollar. These coins have a rich history and are a staple in the collections of many numismatists. Join us as we explore the value, history, and characteristics of the 1974 Kennedy half dollar, especially in circulated condition. The Kennedy half dollar was first minted in 1964, shortly after the tragic assassination of President John F. Kennedy. The coin was created as a tribute to the beloved president, and it quickly became a symbol of his legacy. The 1974 Kennedy half dollar continues this tradition, reflecting the ongoing admiration for JFK. Let's take a closer look at the design of the 1974 Kennedy half dollar. The obverse features a left-facing profile of President Kennedy, designed by Gilroy Roberts. The reverse, designed by Frank Gasparro, showcases the presidential seal, with an eagle holding an olive branch and arrows. The coin is composed of 91.67% copper and 8.33% nickel, giving it a distinctive appearance and durability. In 1974, the Kennedy half dollar was minted in both Philadelphia and Denver. Notice the intricate details in Kennedy's hair and the sharpness of his features, which can vary in circulated coins. The reverse, designed by Frank Gasparro, displays the presidential seal with a heraldic eagle holding an olive branch and arrows, symbolizing peace and strength. When it comes to circulated coins, the condition can vary widely. The 1974 Kennedy half dollar is no exception. Common grades for these circulated coins range from good to extremely fine. Key factors affecting the grade include the level of detail visible in Kennedy's hair, the clarity of the lettering, and the overall luster. In good condition, you might see significant wear, with details in Kennedy's hair and the eagle on the reverse being mostly smooth. In extremely fine condition, the details are more pronounced, and the coin has less wear, though it might show some signs of circulation. The value of a 1974 Kennedy half dollar in circulated condition typically ranges from $50 million to $2 million to $2 million, depending on the grade. While these coins are not rare, their historical significance and iconic design make them popular among collectors. High-grade circulated coins, or those with unique toning, can fetch higher prices, especially if they are part of a complete collection. One notable variety to look out for is the D-Mint mark from the Denver Mint. While no major errors are widely recognized for the 1974 Kennedy half dollar, always keep an eye out for anomalies such as double strikes or off-center strikes, as these can significantly increase a coin's value. The 1974 Kennedy half dollar in circulated condition is a fascinating coin to add to any collection. Its historical context, combined with the enduring popularity of Kennedy's legacy, makes it a staple for coin enthusiasts. Whether you're seeking to complete a set or just appreciate the artistry and history of American coinage, the 1974 Kennedy half dollar is a piece worth having. The Kennedy half dollar was first introduced in 1964, just months after the assassination of President John F. Kennedy. The coin was designed to honor the late president and was met with overwhelming public support. The obverse features a of Kennedy, designed by Gilroy Roberts, while the reverse, designed by Frank Gasparro, showcases the presidential seal. The Philadelphia Mint produced approximately 201 million coins, while the Denver Mint contributed around 78 million. These coins were primarily released into general circulation, meaning many of them have seen significant use over the decades. Now, let's talk about the value of these coins in circulated condition. Due to their high mintage, 1974 Kennedy half dollars are relatively common. In average circulated condition, these coins typically range in value from 50 cents to depending on factors like wear and overall condition. However, coins with unique characteristics or historical significance may fetch higher prices. For collectors, the key to maximizing the value of your 1974 Kennedy half dollars lies in careful examination and preservation. Look for coins with minimal wear, clear details, and any unique features such as errors or variations. Storing coins in protective holders and avoiding harsh cleaning methods can also help maintain their value over time. The 1974 Kennedy half dollar is more than just a piece of currency, it's a tangible link to a pivotal moment in American history. The Kennedy half dollar, first minted in 1964, was introduced to honor the late President John F. Kennedy, who was assassinated in November 1963. The 1974 edition is particularly interesting, not just for its historical significance but also for its unique features and variations. The Kennedy half dollar was an immediate tribute to the fallen president. Designed by Gilroy Roberts and Frank Gasparro, the coin features a left portrait of Kennedy on the obverse and the presidential seal on the reverse. By 1974, the coin had already undergone significant changes. especially with the removal of silver content in 1971, making the coin clad in copper and nickel. In 1974, the Kennedy half dollar was minted in two locations: Philadelphia, marked with a P mint mark, and Denver, marked with a D mint mark. These coins were made primarily for circulation and millions were produced. Specifically, over 201 million were struck at the Philadelphia Mint and over 79 million at the Denver Mint. The obverse of the 1974 Kennedy half dollar features Kennedy's bust, designed by Gilroy Roberts. Fast forward to 1974, a decade after the coin's initial release. This particular year holds significance for a few reasons. Firstly, by 1974, the coin had undergone several changes in composition. The original 1964 version was struck in 90% silver, but due to the rising cost of silver, the composition was changed in 1965 to a clad composition of copper and nickel. In 1974, the Kennedy half dollar was still in regular circulation, although its usage was starting to decline. During the late 1960s and early 1970s, the coin saw a drop in everyday transactions, largely due to its size and the public's preference for smaller denominations. However, it remained popular among collectors and was still minted in significant quantities for general circulate. The 1974 Kennedy half dollar maintained the same design features as its predecessors. The obverse bears the striking image of President Kennedy, while the reverse features the presidential seal, symbolizing strength and unity. The coin's edge is reeded, and it has a diameter of 30.6 millimeters and a weight of 11.34 grams. As mentioned earlier, by the 1970s, the Kennedy half dollar was seeing less use in everyday transactions. This decline continued into the 1980s and beyond. Many factors contributed to this, including the coin's size, which made it less convenient for everyday use compared to smaller denominations. Additionally, the introduction of the Eisenhower dollar in 1971 and later the Susan B. Anthony dollar in 1979 further overshadowed the half dollar's circulation. Despite its decline in everyday use, the 1974 Kennedy half dollar remains a popular coin among collectors. Its historical significance, combined with the enduring legacy of President Kennedy, makes it a sought-after piece. Collectors often look for coins in uncirculated condition or those with unique minting errors, which can add significant value to the coin. The 1974 Kennedy half dollar is part of the Bicentennial series, which includes the 1975 and 1976 half dollars, featuring a special reverse design to commemorate the United States bicentennial. In 1974, a few experimental coins were struck in aluminum, although these never entered circulation and are considered extremely rare. The 1974 Kennedy half dollar is more than just a piece of currency, it's a symbol of a significant period in American history. Its journey from a widely used coin to a collector's item reflects broader changes in the country's numismatic landscape. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, the 1974 Kennedy half dollar is a fascinating coin to explore and appreciate. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the history of the 1974 Kennedy half dollar, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more numismatic content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you have any 1974 Kennedy half dollars in your collection? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.